Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add a location marker on Google Maps website. Open your favorite browser. Go to google.com/maps. Wait for the map to load completely. Navigate to the desired location. Zoom in and scroll to the place you want to mark. Left click anywhere on the map where there is no existing label or marker. A grey pin will appear at that spot. A small info card will pop up at the bottom showing the address or GPS coordinates. Click the share button to get a direct link. And share it with friends or families via WhatsApp, Twitter, or email. You can also embed this location on your website or blog by selecting the Embed a Map option. Click the Directions button to calculate a route from your location to the marked spot. This is how you can add a location marker on Google Maps website. Thank you for watching.